All right, Gooners, it's come to this. Apparently, it is not okay to heat up water quickly in a microwave. It's unheard of in the Gooner family, in the Worldwide family. Apparently, I'm one of only 12 people worldwide that does it. So I'm done. You know, I kind of my own man, but I will listen to popular opinion. And look, you guys have browbeat me into doing this. So today, 10 minutes ago, arrived an electric kettle because I need the convenience. I can't be standing there away from my computer for that long. So look, we're going to open this up. We've got the soup cup. We've got the chicken noodle soup. And we've got the shaker. And we're going to make ourselves some motherfucking soup. All right. The base. Base! How low can you go? All right. We've got the base, the cord. We have the kettle, because it is the 21st century. I did not get one of these goofy old tea kettles that screams when it's done. And it opens, it pours. Let's see how it works. Owner's manual, because I don't know how to do stuff. This appliance is not a toy. Do not let the children play it. Play it. Okay, that's bad. They not even good grammar in the goddamn instruction guide. Do not use the appliance for other than intended use. Damn it. My marriage is going to stay conventional now, I suppose. Fill the kettle with the desired amount of water. Now, mind you, I do not always use bottled water for this, but for convenience sake, because I am upstairs, I am doing so. Voila. And yes, I did clean this before using it. You just didn't see it on the video because that is boring, and the rest of this is very exciting. But now placed it on its base. Now it's on. And we start the timer. 30 seconds. I see some things happening. 1 minute in, the water is starting to bubble. This is exciting because microwave takes 3 minutes. So 1 minute in, and I'm seeing some stuff. We're now at the 2 minute mark. It's warm. I see steam. Not quite to a boil yet. By the same token, I'm not standing in front of a microwave either, getting radiation and all other types of problems. 3.5 minutes, almost done. The blue light's going to go off when it's done. So this is 3.5 minutes, 4 minutes. I can do this. World, I think I owe you a thank you. Let's get ready. Five minutes, and this thing is getting a little crazy. I think we've got truly boiling water here. I have never been so excited. I've seen FA Cups. I've seen league titles. I've seen a Champions League final. This tops it all. And at 5.5 minutes, it has shut off. It has boiled. We have reached boiling water. So now we move on to the next step. to make the soup. We need 8 ounces of water here, 8 fluid ounces. Eight ounces of piping hot boiling water. Next comes the delicious chicken noodle soup in a bag. Now, soup connoisseurs or just normal people, please, I don't need to hear that this isn't soup. I know it's not soup. This is what I need to do something about this situation. So now, the key to this is you have to relieve pressure or it explodes, which I had happen to me a couple days ago. So you close it, you shake it, but then you got to open it. You got to do that. Do it again. Ultimately, the pressure is relieved, and all you have is hot soup. This is not a motion that I'm accustomed to doing. And the soup is ready. What a process. But I think I found my new routine thanks to the Gooner family. So no more microwave Mike. It's all Kettle Mike from now on. Come on, you Gooners.